How to fix broken concrete statuary. Concrete statuary usually breaks from its own weight if it is tipped over. It also can be damaged from being outside, especially in northern climates where freezing and thawing takes place. Concrete statuary absorbs water, and if there is water trapped in the concrete when the temperature plummets below freezing, the water inside expands and can cause a chunk of the statue to break away. The good news is that those chunks can be securely glued back on the statue. Things you will need: broken concrete statue, brush, cloth, water, 15-minute epoxy, duct tape. Collect any pieces that have broken off from the main statue. Dry fit them to match up the right pieces. Clean the surfaces to receive adhesive. Brush off any dust or dirt. Wipe the surfaces clean with a damp cloth and set them aside to thoroughly dry before gluing. Apply 15-minute, 2-part epoxy. Mix it per manufacturer's instructions. Spread it on mating surfaces of the broken off pieces. Press the pieces together. Use duct tape to wrap around the smaller pieces and allow the epoxy to cure for 24 hours. Mix up more epoxy the next day and glue the pieces from step 3 to the main statue. Bind them in place with more duct tape to apply pressure. Wait 24 hours before removing the tape. Tips: warnings. Consider brushing on a clear sealer to the statue to give it protection from absorbing moisture. The best way to keep a concrete statue from deteriorating is to bring it indoors for the winter months. If it's too heavy to move, consider wrapping it in a waterproof tarp.